Big home team vibes. At it again. UBC here. Know the vibe. Trying to ring the bell one time. Hopefully my boys throw strikes. We hit bombs. I'm gonna call it Doobie big bomb. No wind blowing. Big doobie bomb. Boobs. Boobs on deck.
That's those guys at once just steal.
The bets suck, bro. We use Old Hickory.
Yo, if it's free, it's for me.
Hey, shout out Coy Adams.
You got right. Not sponsored.
Hey,
Ready?
Old Hickory. Best in the game.
Coy's the man.
Coy's the man.
Hook me up. Thank you, Coy. Mr. Adams, thank you very much. Now I'm gonna hit bombs because I got the bets that I need. Thank you.
Do that move again. What you do? That's not good. That's not good. That's it. That's it, man. You ain't gonna turn up with me, B? Hey, you gonna be in the B, do it. That's not it. Cut up fitting and shit. I got Hey, it's not that bad.
It looks good.
It looks good, be honest.
I bet it looks better.
Your face. Hey, don't. Hey, he ain't had a haircut in 3 months.
3 months, bro. 3 months. You can't even talk about my hair. It's been 3 months, brother. It's been 3 months.
I don't cut the top.
We got the light skin trio back.
Except for he not playing.
I'm not playing.
You're not playing? You hit it, right?
Let me play.
How's it?
Let's get it.
Did you miss Jordan?
Oh my gosh. I miss this light skin beauty.
I can't tell.
Happening. I was trying to hit, and 5-star kids just kept rolling over, so they couldn't get out. It's unbelievable.
Hey, let him fucking sit.
They spent half their rounds rolling over. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Now we can't get our swings in, but it's okay because we're good. We'll be fine. Really, we need some swings. But it's kind of crazy. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Ain't that right, Jalen? We'll figure it out.
Hey, show and go.
Show and go.
Glove. Appreciate it.
That's what I like to see, boys. That's what I like to see. This is what I like to see, baby. Boys getting ready. Boys getting active. There's more than bad, baby. No, Alex today.
Huh? For today? Loving it, Jacob. Yes, sir. Game day. Back in the UBC. Protect our own state. What are you talking about? Come back right. What are you talking about?
Come back right.
Shut up. Fitz, tell him how it is. Fitz, tell him how it is. Fitz got a new cut. He look good. Hey, roped it first game. A lot better than that. Whatever.
Oh, hey, the vlog wasn't even that bad.
I'm telling you, you look good now.
Why are you talking like that?
Before,
Hey, why you?
Bro, what? You're tripping, bro. You're tripping. Hey, I hope you do good today. Sure, that's crazy. I hope he does good as well. Thank you, guys. Mr. Kendall. It's a great idea. That's a great question. It's too early for this shit.
My teammate, brother, not praying for a downfall, just, you know, trying to expect reality.
Where do you think he's gonna go?
Honestly, what's up? Let me see how he looks today. Honestly, let me see how his smile looks. Let me see his smile. 2 for 3.
What we got?
I'll give him 2 for 3.
Huh?
I'll give him 2 for 3. The smile was not on, but you know, hey, this a little bit more of the, you know what I'm saying? A little more. Yeah, 3 for 3 right there, baby. 3 for 3. Hey, he's starting today, Aaron.
Yeah.
Aaron. Oh, he's that guy, baby.
Oh, that's that guy. For that fuego.
Not rocking with the cleats though. Maybe switch out the cleats. Maybe I can get you some pink. You know, I kind of like them. I kind of like them.
Good morning, guys. You know, we're out here in West Palm. Beautiful day, nice and windy. You know, slightly sunny, not too hot, not too humid. It's a nice day to play some baseball. We got Florida burn this morning. You know, it shouldn't be too much of a game here. I mean, we should take this one by ease, if we're being honest. So let's go out here and get the job done. Let's not let them hang around. Let's just get it done early. Nice slow run rule today.
I am the #1 bench rider. Who are you?
Bink. This is the town holiday.
Holiday.
Destroyer of worlds. No, I just met him.
I'm Nelly's son.
Can you?
Me too.
They're both almost.
Every time I look in the mirror, they're both decked out in tattoos.
I don't believe it.
They're both bald. They're both like Puerto Rican. They're the same. They're the same person. Just he's a little bit stoutish.
Stoutish.
Yes.
It's a good word.
Like bulldog.
A good word. Yep.
All right. I think he's done the bullpen, so we have no reason to be here.
Are we gonna kiss?
No, we are not.
Go back to back. Go real quick. Only take a minute. My butt's out of here. I already do that. I got longer legs.
Stop touching my ass.
I got longer legs than you.
You do not have longer legs.
Everything's taller.
My butt's above yours.
Hold on, we need heads back.
It's me.
Yeah. Okay. All right. It's all right though. It's fine.
It's not by much, but it's enough.
You can't insult me for being short and then be barely.
Yes, I
taller
can,
than
because
me.
I am taller.
Dude, you're barely taller than me.
It doesn't matter if you are barely
You're
taller.
barely
I am still
taller
taller,
than me.
and that's all that matters.
Bro, heart doesn't matter
throws
height,
harder?
bro. Heart doesn't matter
Who
height.
throws harder?
And who weighs more?
Way more. You throw harder. Simple as that.
They got a pitcher warming up in the bullpen. I see some of you guys tracking and that kind of stuff. But most importantly, guys, let's have fun. Okay, from the tone, right? From day one, pitch one, let's set the tone and let them know that we coming here to do damage this week. All right, everybody understand that? I know it seems like a little laid back and that's cool, but it's time to just get into that soft focus. Start seeing success. Start visualizing what you're going to do at the plate, okay? Pay attention to him warming up, seeing what he's doing, how the curveball breaking, how the fastball coming out. All right, but most importantly, guys, let's just have fun. Let's come together as a family and let's just ball out and show them that we're not, they shouldn't be on the same field as us. All right? If you believe you're good, this is time to show them that you're better than them. Do you understand that? Let's hit the gas a little bit. All right, we're going to see what some of you guys can do. I'm probably going to put a few hit and runs on just to see what you guys can do because we're planning to win this tournament. All right, so we may need it later on. If it comes down in the situation for a bunt, we may ask guys to bunt, okay? Just get it down for the team because we're going to need it to win this tournament, okay? Or I hate to say it, we may use it against, you know, who we playing over there in the stadium in 2 days, okay? But we got to be prepared to play some baseball, all right?
Good. All right, boys, come on. That time, right? Let's win this one, right? This one we got to take home.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
Let's go, guys.
Bro.
Read them out, three. 1, 2, 3. Read them out. Hey, now let's go. Hey, boy.
Now you focused up. Let's go.
Got a guy.
Boy, big shot. BDC. Go now, Booby. Let's go. Hey, all good, baby. Let's go, Eric. Boy. Better wave. Better boy. That boy. Up. Pitch. That boy. Better wave. Babe.
Inside.
Boy.
He paused. I ain't know
How you get?
Yeah.
Up, boy.
Here we go.
Get there. Punchy.
No throw.
Thank you, Charlie.
Boy. Hey, let's go. Whoever I go.
Yes, it. Hey, over there. Come on.
Hey, boy.
Got room. Get out. Oh, get out. Attaboy, Kendall. Get back. Roller.
Okay.
Attaboy. Buena. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Back. Come on. Yeah. Fox, come on, Fox. Get here, Fox. Let's go, dial up.
Get out.
Back in.
Yes, sir.
That boy. Well done. Get it. Score, Mikey. That boy. Stop checking the channel. Get up there, Alex.
Yeah, boy. Good swing, Charlie.
Go, Diego, go! Vai, Mary! Boy, Diego! Yeah. Boy! Go! Good boy! Good boy! No one. That boy. Let's go, Blake.
El hueso.
from the moment we got here this morning. Okay, the way that we're showing up, guys. Okay, we're gonna do better as a coaching staff, getting it ready, getting everybody knowing what they got to do. But guys, when you come here, we got to get ready to go to war. Okay, I understand the batting cage situation, that kind of thing. If somebody here gets early, if you get here early, go down and grab a cage just to make sure that we can grab a cage. Okay, but the thing is, we might not always be in a perfect situation to get ready for a game, but we still got to show up to play. And I just don't think we showed up to play today. Okay, I think our energy was down. We were just like this. It's like too many guys are just walking around, just going through the motions. All right, we got to turn that up a notch, guys. Okay, but I'm not the type of coach to beg you to do it. I can't put that into you. You got to want to beat them more than I want to see you beat them. That's how it has to be, because at some point it's just me hoorahing and yelling and just talking, and I don't want to do that kind of stuff. Coach don't want to do that kind of stuff. It's the difference between us begging you to play and motivating you to play. And right now, today, we've been begging you to play. We've been begging you to make adjustments. All right, I'm a former Division I coach, guys. I know what it looks like. I know. You got a person that lived it right now. I lived it. And I'm just trying to tell you, some of you going the opposite direction of what's needed to play at the next level. You're going to get to the next level and wonder why you're not playing. And I can tell you why. It doesn't look like you want to play. It's somebody right there that's already going to, when you get there, there's going to be somebody a year ahead of you that wants to play. It's going to be a red shirt that was there that wants to play. It's going to be somebody that wants to beat you, and they're going to show up every single day ready to play. And you have to do it. And it takes no talent to do that. Okay? But I'm not going to harp on it. I'm just giving you guys from me being on the other side. You got to show up ready to play. Okay? So we're going to talk. We're going to get it together. I'll send you guys out timestamps. Okay? So at that time, guys, get ready. We're going to stretch. We're going to get back to infield. We're going to get back to getting some warm-ups with the outfield. But we got to step up the baseball side of this. Okay? No more going through the motions. No more. All right, we're going to do it the hard way. We still got a chance to get into bracket play and that kind of stuff, but there's no reason why we should even be discussing getting into bracket play. We should be 1-0, all right? But it is what it is. We're going to get ready to go. But, guys, we got to turn the page and flush it and get ready to go. But we got to have better energy tomorrow.
Guys, you create the weather. Understand, that name on your jersey, everybody's coming out to get you guys, all right? You come out and play your game, it's going to be hard to compete with you guys. You guys got to really believe that, all right? Tomorrow's a new day. Let's come with that energy, and let's play ball like we know how to. You guys got it? Sir. Listen, I'm in 209. Anybody needs work, any recovery work, let me know. I have my stuff here. You guys come through the room, or we'll go downstairs to the gym and get some work in. Anybody want to get a little sweat? You know, I know some of my pitchers want to get some movement in. Just let me know. I'll be down there, all right, guys? Let's go. Let's get a break, man. Hey, let's be us. Come on, man.
Let's go.
Read the ball 3, 1, 2, 3.
Read the ball.